Hello, my name is Russ Sears, and I'm joining you from Cohasset, Massachusetts, which is just about 20 miles south of Boston, right on the coast. Beautiful town, except for in the winter when the storms blow through and knock down our seawall. This is my introduction for 822, the hypertext course. And I really don't know much about hypertext other than it's those blue words that you can click on and it brings you to somewhere else. I know how to make them. I don't really know how to use them to expand anything that I do in my lessons. So I'm hoping to learn that. And as far as hypermedia, I don't know much about that either. So I'm just going to be learning a lot as we go. My background is in engineering. I have a degree in engineering from UMass and a degree in chemistry, and I also have a master's degree in science education. So this is my fourth degree. I've taught in 5 schools here in Cohasset, Massachusetts, as I said. Also in the American School of Kuwait in Kuwait, the Westwood International School in Gaborone, Botswana, and I started my teaching at the local school in Lüderitz, Namibia, as a Peace Corps volunteer. So, hope to meet you all. This is my 4th course at FHSU. This is my 4th introductory video. Thank you very much.